Summertime in Mississippi and Alabama means a few things: sweet tea, trips to the lake or beach, and all of that humid air. But have you ever wondered how meteorologists measure the amount of moisture in the air and why it matters to you? Meteorologist Trevor Birchett shows us in this week's Weather Wise.
Living near the Gulf Coast, we get our fair share of moist and humid air in Mississippi and Alabama. Now, there's actually a few different ways to measure how much moisture is in the air, but many meteorologists have come to an agreement that the dew point value is the easiest to understand for you at home. Now, the official science-y definition of dew point is the temperature that the air would have to be to reach the point of saturation. Saturation is the point at which water vapor condenses into liquid water. So basically, if the dew point and the air temperature are the same, saturation is occurring and water vapor is becoming liquid water. Often this means it's either foggy or rainy. Now you're probably still thinking, how does any of this affect my day-to-day life? Well, for you, the dew point is actually a great measure of how humid or muggy the air is. A dew point number below 50 means the air is very dry. You may notice some extra static electricity or even chapped lips. Anything from 50 to 60 is fairly comfortable. 60 to 65 is a little bit humid but still tolerable. But once the number climbs over 65, the air becomes noticeably more humid. If the dew point's over 70, well, get ready for some major humidity. Now, dew point actually plays a role in how the heat index value is determined, because the higher the dew point, the more moisture is in the air and the muggier it feels. Now, that may still be a little complicated for you, so to make it easier to understand here at WCBI, we give you the dew point forecast with our comfort index, so you can easily see how muggy the air is going to be for that day. But the bottom line to remember about dew point is that it's a simple way to measure the moisture content in the air. The higher the dew point value, especially if it's over 65 or 70, means there's more moist air around and the air will feel a lot muggier. Now keep sending us your weather questions. We'd love to answer them. You can find us at our email address, weather@wcbi.com, also on Facebook and Twitter. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Trevor Birchett.
Weather Wise is brought to you by 4 County Electric Power Association.